What are the best Windows Registry settings for PC gaming performance? Imagine your gaming experience as a finely tuned race car. The right tweaks can make your system run smoother, faster, and more responsive. Today, we're going to look at some simple but effective Windows Registry settings that can boost your gaming performance. These tweaks help your computer prioritize game tasks, reduce lag, and keep your hardware running at full speed. You don't need to buy new parts or overclock your system to see improvements. First, setting your system to treat games as high-priority tasks is key. You can do this by editing the registry at the path that starts with Machine, then navigating to Software, then Microsoft, Windows NT, Current Version Multimedia System Profile Tasks, and then the folder called Games. Inside, you'll find entries like Affinity, Background Only, Background Priority, and Priority. Change the priority to 6 and set the scheduling category to High. This tells Windows to give more CPU time to your game. Next, enabling the Ultimate Performance mode can help. This mode removes power limits on your CPU and graphics card, letting them run at full speed. You can turn this on through a registry tweak or command prompt. It prevents Windows from slowing down your hardware when you're gaming. Disabling CPU core parking is another smart move. Windows sometimes turns off some CPU cores when they're not in use to save power. But during gaming, you want all cores active. You can disable core parking by editing registry values under the same path, setting the value to 0. This keeps all your CPU cores awake and ready. Improving RAM usage is also important. Adjust the registry so Windows prefers using physical RAM over virtual memory or page fill. This reduces stuttering caused by disk swapping during intense gameplay. You can do this by changing the value for Disable Paging Executive to 1. For online gaming, network latency can be a big issue. Disabling Nagel's algorithm in the registry reduces the delay caused by batching small network packets. This helps lower ping and input lag in fast-paced multiplayer games. To do this, you need to find the correct network adapter key and disable Nagel's algorithm by editing or creating a DWORD value called TCP no delay. Mouse responsiveness is vital for first-person shooters. You can tweak registry settings to turn off mouse acceleration and improve polling rate. This makes aiming more precise and consistent. Adjust the registry to disable mouse acceleration and set the polling rate to the highest supported value. Windows also manages CPU priorities between foreground and background applications. Setting the priority separation to a higher value ensures your game gets more CPU time. You can change this by editing the registry key called Priority Separation and setting it to 11 or higher. Enabling hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling is another way to reduce input lag and smooth out frame delivery. This setting allows your graphics card to manage its own memory scheduling, which can lead to more stable performance. You can turn it on via Windows settings, but some registry tweaks might be needed depending on your GPU. Lastly, speeding up shutdowns and restarts can save you time when rebooting after gaming sessions. You can tweak registry values to reduce shutdown wait times, making your system more responsive overall. Remember, always back up your registry before making any changes. Use Regedit to navigate to the specified paths and modify or create DWORD values as needed. These tweaks are safe if done carefully and can make a real difference in your gaming experience. To sum up, focusing on prioritizing game processes, maximizing hardware availability, reducing network latency, and improving input responsiveness will give you a noticeable boost. These small but targeted registry changes can help your system run more smoothly, deliver higher frame rates, and make your gaming sessions more enjoyable.